Hi, if you opted into Mastering Chemistry for the Trove book at the beginning of the semester, I just want to remind you of some resources you have to study for chemistry. First, from your web courses course, always click on modules and you'll see this listing come up. You can go directly into Mastering Course Home to go to Learning Catalytics and the entire Mastering Suite, or you can go directly to the specific page here by clicking on the Pearson eText, the Mastering Study area, or the Course Home again. If you click on the Course Home, it's going to take you to a screen like this, and then you'll access the eText by clicking here. You can also go into the study area here, and if you're using Learning Catalytics, your icon will be on the upper right. If you go to the eText, one thing I wanted to point out to you was obviously you can scroll by chapter and go into the specific chapters that you're working on. And at the end of the chapters, there's a self-assessment quiz that you can take. As this opens up. So this will give you a quick quiz with multiple choice questions. It'll even tell you which section to read and which key concept video to watch if you don't understand it. So you can answer the question. If you get it wrong, it's going to tell you what you did wrong, and then you can try it again. And I will not keep trying this for you because it's going to take me a little while to solve. Once you do get it correct, it marks it green, and it gives you some feedback on what you did right or wrong. So that's in the actual textbook version. You can also go back into the study area. And I wanted to point out a few things here. So if you go study by chapter, let's go to chapter 3. This is a quick overview, so this is what you should know about chapter 3. There's some exam prep, so you can do a self-assessment quiz here as well. And then it auto-corrects as you go along. There's also a practice quiz that you can take to go through this way and practice the material. And you can go to other chapters and do the same thing. Exam prep and then practice. At the end of each section there's a key concept video just to give you an overview of what is being covered in that chapter. Another tool that you can use are the dynamic study modules. If you click on the dynamic study modules, a new screen will pop up. And here you can go in and practice as well, so you can begin learning. I think I chose chapter 2. And the dynamic study modules work in that they give you information in small chunks. So it's going to break down this large chapter into 8 questions. So you'll read the question, look at the periodic table, and then you're going to answer. If you're sure, you'll double click on it. If you're not sure, you're going to choose between 2 options. So if I think it's this one or this one, I can mark it this way and submit it. And if I was unsure and incorrect, it'll tell me, and then I'll go to the next question. It's going to give me 8 of these questions, and I can see my progress on the top. And then I can move through the material. As I get them right, they will go away from the bank of questions. As I learn the material, you'll see your status here, and also videos will play. So this is a fun way to get through a lot of complex material, and that is under the dynamic study modules. Thanks so much.